let me introduce Dr. Sanao from Orange County, California, USA.
Hi, everybody.
Yes, so she is a very renowned physician of that area, and she has her Optimum Hair Restoration Center, right?
Yes.
So I would like her to share some experience with World Society of Hair Restoration and ISHR.
So I've just completed my fellowship here at ISHR here in Mumbai, and it's been a wonderful experience. I've learned so much. I feel confident. I know that I'm just gonna go back to the States and just kill it. I have had so much didactics. I've had interactive. I've been able to work with my hands, and I know how to do slits and punch making and also implanting. I've learned DHI, I've learned keep, as well as double forceps. And I couldn't think of a better fellowship for anyone to attend. I'll recommend this 5. Perfect. 5 stars.
Good. Thank you.